Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to download district level shapefile for whole world. We can download the district level shapefile from FAO data. If you see here this data set FAO GAUL 2015 level 2 dataset. There are two level dataset available. One is level 2, this is district level data, and another data level 1 that's been if you go the Google Earth Engine website and here the documentation, you should read this. You can search here FAO dataset. See, this is FAO GAUL Global Administrative Unit Layer. Okay, first level 1, another level 2. Level 2 means district level dataset. So today I'll show you how we can download this district level shapefile using Google Earth Engine. So I'll show you detail. See, first one, we need to filter by state, right? We need to filter by state. Okay, so how we can filter it? Just run this code. First thing, see, first we need to import this dataset, level 2 dataset. That's a variable district E feature collection. Here the dataset link. Then filter 2, I will use here one state name West Bengal. So West Bengal here, all district of West Bengal. Then print all district name in console because I need to check the exact spelling of the district because in JavaScript it is very sensitive. In a feature collection we cannot use the wrong spelling. So that's why district name. Then visualize the to browse it. Okay, just if you run this one, this is very easy. Then see here West Bengal district, all district of West Bengal, and if you go here the console, then you can see the list of district. Here's many district name. Okay, we have to copy this. And suppose here the Coach Bihar, here spelling KOCHBIHR, but in original spelling is COOCHBEHR, or sometimes in administrative case KOCHBEHR. So we have to use this spelling only. We cannot use the other spelling, right? So how we can use it? I will explain. See, after this, we can confirm the spelling. We can copy from, and paste from here. We can copy here, and we should paste here the same spelling here, here, and here. Or you can give any name, no issues there. Then just run it again. So then we can download this Coachbihar district shapefile, district level shapefile from FAO GAUL data global administrative dataset. See here the Coachbihar shapefile. If you click this shapefile, then you can save it, Coachbihar shapefile. You can generate one folder name also because in shapefile there will be other 4 supporting file, not only shapefile. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to download this. Then we can download this shapefile. Then we can use this shapefile in any GIS software. Like I want to use it in ArcMap, so we can download it and we can use it for any GIS software. Let's discuss about the process, how we can do it, how we can change it. If you want to change it, I will share this code also. I'll share this link, shareable snapshot link. We can use this code. Okay, see here the my drive. So here Coachbihar. Then I want to download this. It will convert it into zip file. When you download, yes, it's working. So let's already done, right? So okay, crop classification 2022, right, is done. So here this zip file, so extract the zip file first, right? Now check it here the add data. I will add this data, Coachbihar shapefile, this shapefile. See this is Coachbihar district shapefile. So this way we can use Google Earth Engine for downloading any data set for whole world. Not only for India, it is available for whole world. If we want to change any any state name like Uttarakhand, just change it here. District of Uttarakhand, district of Uttarakhand. Just change it here. Okay. Other thing remains. Other thing we will do later. Just run this code. Now see in this console, you can find there are 13 districts in Uttarakhand. So if you want to download any districts, so then you have to copy this and you have to change this district name only from here. District name. Then you can download. This is ready-made product from FAO 2015. Just paste here and run this code again. Now see this taskbar, it is ready to download this shapefile, and it is also highlighted because we have used here the visualize. For visualize, we have used here the map center. Okay, so this is for visualize purpose. This is for import. This is for filter by state. Then it is for this console value because we have to check the exact name, exact spelling of this district. Then this is for visualize purpose. Then after visualizing, we should confirm it which district we want to download, what is the exact spelling. Then this is for again display. See, it is displaying now. So we can use the map center and add layer display. Then after this, we can download this export in table.drive. We can export into our drive, Google Drive. Okay, and it's a description and file format. That's it. We can easily download for whole world. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please subscribe for future tutorials.